Hello and welcome to the beautiful, hot, glowing Australian summer. Yeah, no, okay, I lied, it's raining. But this is highly unusual. This is highly unusual. You're letting the team down, Sky. Anyway, I'm not actually here to talk about the weather. I'm here to say thank you. But in order to keep things interesting, I'm going to draw you something because I am totes an artist. So Benjamin Cook of 9 Brass Monkeys made a video about girls on YouTube. Emily of New Gloom made a list of female YouTubers and put it on Tumblr. It was reblogged by John Green and a whole lot of other really awesome people, and then it floated around in the ether for a while, and pretty much overnight, my little group of subscribers extraordinaire doubled, all of which ultimately equals fantastic. I'm aware that the number of new subscriptions that I've received in the last couple of days is probably equivalent to what a more established YouTube artist would receive in a couple of hours, but that's not the point. I feel really flattered and really encouraged. So thank you 9 Brass Monkeys for prompting that discussion. Thank you to Emily of New Gloom for taking the time to write that list and for putting me on it. Thank you John Green for reblogging it and to everyone else for reblogging it. And most importantly, thank you to all of you for subscribing to me. And for basically making my day. I hope that I can live up to your expectations and make things that you enjoy. It's actually really good timing for me because later on tonight I'm going to be posting my first ever documentary, which I have finally finished. So stick around and have a look at that, and I hope that you enjoy it, and I will see you again soon. I'm here. Shush, birds. Oi! Oi, oi, oi! Well, just because you like the rain. Jeez. Guys, could you just keep it down there? Thank you.